This is the KC18DKL Combi twin pack, which includes the DV18DSDL combi drill. This is the most powerful 18 volt combi drill on the market with 92 Newton meters of torque. It has a single spindle ratchet sleeve, 22 stage torque selector, twin speed all metal gearbox with needle point gears, has a low battery indicator and a separate button for a working light, and the WH18DSL impact driver. Both machines come with a 3-year guarantee, which also includes a 3-year guarantee for the batteries. This impact driver has 145 Newton meters of torque, standard 6.35mm hex attachment, has a belt hook and a carrying strap.